And counsel, are you waiving formal arraignment this morning?
Yes, Your Honor, we are. Mr. Pines at this time would ask to enter a plea of not guilty. We'd acknowledge the underlying complaint and waive any formal reading.
Okay, at this point, I will acknowledge the defendant's waiver of formal arraignment.
I'm pleading guilty, actually.
Well, sir, at this point, we're going to enter a plea of not guilty.
I want to plead guilty.
Well, sir, at this point, I
it's
want
my right to plead guilty.
Yes, sir, you
so
do.
I'm pleading guilty.
Okay.
Your Honor, I did read to him his rights, including a new right that is not yet regularly.
I know that I'm guilty, so
I did have a discussion with him about his absolute right to plead guilty to arraignment if that's what he wants to do.
You know that.
Okay, sir. One of the concerns that I always have before I consider accepting a guilty plea is that an individual has an opportunity to understand all of the allegations that are being made against you. Because this is in a very early stage, I want you to have the opportunity to have counsel appointed so that that attorney can review all of the allegations that may be made against you so that I can be, or any other judge can be assured that you are making a knowing, intelligent, voluntary decision when you give up that very important right, okay? And so because of the early stage that we're at...
I give up the right and I plead guilty.
Okay, sir, do you even know what all the allegations are against you?
Yes, that I was trespassing. That's my charge. So I plead guilty to trespassing.
Well, that's what the charge is. But there may be a lot more allegations that are contained within that.
I don't care about allegations. I'm pleading guilty to my charge and the allegations. How about that? I just plead guilty to the allegations and the charge.
Okay, Mr. Mitchell, I understand what it is that
that's what I'm pleading guilty to.
Okay, and sir, what I will do is I will set this matter over so that
I plead guilty.
Okay, Mr. Pines.
I plead guilty. I plead guilty. Fuck innocent. What he's saying, I plead guilty.
Okay, Mr. Pines. Here's the thing. Before I can accept a guilty
plea, dumbass niggas, stay out of here. You know, and I plead guilty. I plead guilty. Guilty is what I plead.
Okay, Mr. Pines. I've heard what you've said today. Okay.
Guilty is what I plead.
Well,
guilty. Stupid bitch.
Mr. Pines.
What? I plead guilty, dude.
Based upon your conduct this morning, I have concerns about...
I plead guilty. You hear what I'm saying to you? I plead guilty.
Okay, sir, I've heard what you said.
Whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Pines, it's now up to you to listen to me, okay?
That's dumb.
Okay, so I've heard what you've said.
I plead guilty. You just heard me say I plead guilty, so...
Okay, so, Mr. Pines...
I'm not with the innocent bullshit. I'm guilty of everything. So anyways.
Okay.
Mr. Pines, let's let the judge finish, please.
Just ask for my release like you said.
Well, sir, if you're pleading guilty, we're not going to be addressing conditions of release at this point.
Okay, well then how about I plead innocent and then address conditions of release?
Okay, that sounds like a much better idea. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Well, I didn't even think of that.
Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to enter a plea of not guilty. And counsel, are you seeking appointment at this time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I will. And
do you have anywhere I can contact when I get out?
Sir, Mr. Pines.
Yes.
I listen to you. Now I'm asking you to listen to me.
Okay.
I will answer your questions before we finish this hearing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Zerbe, as far as discussing with Mr. Pines regarding his financial circumstances, do you believe that he would qualify for appointment of counsel in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I will make a direct appointment of counsel at this point. And I have entered a plea of not guilty. Probable cause was previously found. Does the city have any comment regarding conditions of release in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. The city would recommend that bail be maintained and that there be a stay-away order issued for the Walgreens. The request for bail, Your Honor, is due to the fact that Mr. Pines is out on release less than 10 days before he picks up this charge on two pending charges out of King County District Court, one from January, one from February 4th. We do not believe that he would abide by any conditions of release, either to not return to the Walgreens given his behavior at the time of this incident, nor that he would pick up new law violations. Further, we do not believe he would appear on his own personal recognizance given his warrant history, Your Honor, which is very lengthy, and the city does count 3 warrants within the last 12 months. Thank you.
Okay. Does the defense wish to be heard as to conditions of release?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, the allegations here are de minimis as far as it being a criminal trespass in the second-degree charge. His ultimate warrant history, there are a few within the last couple of years, and then there's a significant gap after you go back past 2022. It's a nonviolent offense. He does enjoy the presumption of release. Did indicate to me that he's not working right now and hasn't for some time. He does receive government assistance. He wouldn't be able to post bail. He is asking for his release and one opportunity to appear out of custody on this matter.
Okay.
And could I readdress just one thing Mr. Zerbe said? That gap in warrant history is due to courts holding him and not releasing him. So he was never given the opportunity to get warrants.
Thank you. Mr. Pines, if the court released you today, where would you be able to reside?
Probably just go to the hospital first, and then I don't know. After that, probably go to my dad's house maybe and see if I can sleep there. Maybe, I don't know. Whatever, you know.
Sir, you said that you needed to go to the hospital. Why do you need to go to the hospital? If you don't mind sharing.
Just so I can heal up, you know.
Okay.
I'm feeling kind of sick and stuff.
Okay. Thank you. As far as I am going to maintain bail at $500 at this point. Is there, as far as the next court date, do the parties have any recommendations for when this should be set?
City would just ask for the next available, Your Honor.
No, I don't even like a court day.
Defense would ask for Monday, Your Honor.
Okay, I am going to set this matter on for Monday, February 27th at 1:30. And presence to be in person or virtual. The conditions I'm setting at this point are that the defendant appear timely for all scheduled court hearings, have no criminal law violations, not go upon the property or any contact with the Walgreens located at 23003 Pacific Highway South in Des Moines, to update the court and Department of Licensing with any address changes immediately. Probable cause has previously been found in this matter. Bail to remain at $500 cash or bond.
My eyes are huge.
And are there any questions from Mr. Pines or from defense counsel?
Is there what?
Any questions before I enter that order?
When will I be getting out?
Well, we're setting a next court date for Monday. What I am doing, I am appointing counsel at this point so that you will have an attorney working with you who can review any incident reports with you, discuss your options, and then you can make decisions on how it is that you would like to proceed. Okay?
Hey, man.
Okay, sir.
How about I just get released, man?
Well, I'm not going to do that today, sir. I want you to have a chance to meet with your attorney, to go through the incident reports.
I don't need to. I already pled guilty.
Sir,
I'm pleading guilty.
Okay, Mr. Pines, I'm setting this matter on to Monday, and that will be this matter.
Hey, well, I'm guilty, so what are you going to do? Let me out or what?
I'm not letting you out. We're setting
I created you and shit, stupid, so what are you going to do?
Okay, sir, we are concluding this matter.
What do you want to, like, fuck with the weirdo nigga?
Mr. Pines, go ahead and hand the iPad back to the officer, okay?
Okay, the next matter I wanted to address is the matter of City of Des Moines versus Kim Sorrell. Cause number 3A021135.
Yes, Your Honor, that's on for a competency evaluation. The city hasn't received